Spoiler alert, if you want to have the most delicious Thanksgiving turkey, you need to try this recipe for a wet turkey brine. It's so simple to make. All you do is add all of these dry ingredients to a large stock pot. Make sure it's a large stock pot because you're going to have to put liquid in there too. So in goes the kosher salt, brown sugar, peppercorns, dried sage, garlic, bay leaves, fresh rosemary, some apple juice or apple cider vinegar, water. And then once you have all of the wet brine ingredients prepared in the stock pot, you're going to want to move it over to the stove on high heat, and you're going to want to bring all of these ingredients to a boil. Definitely cover it with a lid to give yourself a hand while it comes up to the boil. Oh, your kitchen is going to smell so delicious at this point, and it's going to feel like Thanksgiving already, which is time for me to mention. I hope that you're making this a couple days in advance. I like to recommend that you brine turkey at least 2 days in advance, or exactly 2 days in advance. 1 day is okay, but if you do 2 days, that'll give you enough time to have 1 day where the turkey can rest outside of the brine in the refrigerator so the skin gets nice and crispy before you roast it or smoke it. All right, back to the recipe. Once it's simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes, then you can let the brine cool. You can add ice so it cools a little bit faster, and then it's time to prepare the vessel in which you're going to brine the turkey. Now, here you see that we're using one of those large turkey brining bags, which is super convenient, but if you don't have one, you just need a vessel that is large enough for your whole turkey to fit in and be fully submerged in the wet brine. So you need to prep the turkey before you get it in. So you want to remove the giblets and whatever else is inside the turkey that you don't want. And then it's time to put it right into the brining bag and pour your somewhat cooled or lukewarm brining mixture over the turkey. Now, this is about a 12 or 13 pound turkey, and you can get some of my delicious roasted turkey recipes and smoked turkey recipes on Sip Bite Go. But for now, I just want to say that this is going to be fully submerged in liquid, but it did take a couple extra cups. So as you see, I wasn't happy that it wasn't fully submerged. So what I did is I added just a little bit more water, which is totally fine. So you just want to make sure that the turkey breast side is down, so it's really absorbing all of that flavor and moisture. And then it's time to pop the brining turkey into the refrigerator for a day. Okay, you could also do 12 hours, but we did a day here, and then we took it out of the bag. So you want to make sure you rinse it completely because a lot of that moisture, salt, and flavor has now gotten into your turkey, but you need to rinse it out. So here we are just fully submerging the turkey again. We didn't have a stock pot large enough, which is really funny being a food blogger. I guess I need a large, ginormous stock pot. But anyways, using the brining bag was completely fine. So after about 10, 15, 20 minutes of it in just water to rinse it out, then it was time to pat the turkey dry. Now, I hope you're making this 2 days in advance just so you do get that one extra day. You can pop the turkey into the refrigerator so it just chills out for a day. The skin gets a little bit drier, and then it is perfect for you to roast or smoke on the Traeger pellet grill. Check out some of my other whole turkey recipes. I have so many easy and delicious holiday recipes for you to try on Sip Bite Go. And I wish you the best, most flavorful turkey in the world. Bye!